Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll show you how to get rid of Show More options in Windows 10. Step 1. Click the search icon on the taskbar, which is located at the bottom of your screen and helps you quickly find apps and system tools. This is important because it allows us to access advanced Windows utilities easily. Step 2. Type PowerShell in the search box, which is a built-in Windows command line tool used to apply system-level changes safely and efficiently. Step 3. Right-click on Windows PowerShell from the search results, which opens a menu with additional options for how the program runs. Step 4. Click Run as Administrator, because administrative access is required to make changes to system settings and registry values. Step 5. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt, which confirms that you allow PowerShell to make changes to your computer. Step 6. Click inside the PowerShell window to make sure it is active and ready to receive commands from your keyboard. Step 7. Paste the provided command into the PowerShell window and press Enter, as this command modifies the system setting that controls the Show More options right-click behavior. Step 8. Confirm that the message saying the operation completed successfully appears, which indicates the command was applied correctly without errors. Step 9. Click the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen, where Power and System options are located. Step 10. Click Power to open the Shutdown and Restart options, which are necessary to apply the recent changes. Step 11. Click Restart so Windows can reload with the new settings. And after reboot, the classic right-click menu should work without needing Show More options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.